She likes
Why do I
chocolate
have on
covered
flip-flops, you
strawberries
guys?
and wine.
That's
She
Florida for you.
likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
It's just, I'm really obsessed. Friend, how are you doing? You doing okay? You know we got to do those mental health checks now on account of this year being completely trash. I always say this is a safe place. This is a very non-judgmental place. You should feel safe here. Tell me all of your secrets in the comment section below. But just don't look at my eyes because they could be very judgy sometimes, girl. Now that I am in full like confession mode and you know we are not in a judgmental zone, can I tell y'all something? My feelings was a little hurt yesterday. It could be on account of it being real close to, you know, that time for me as a woman, or I'm just real sensitive or whatever. Because I feel like y'all was giving me a hard time with the video and some of the comments who were, I don't want to say they were being fake concerned, but a little overly concerned with not having the full backstory. And I have to always remember that you guys don't see everything, so you might be quicker to assume things when you don't see it. But I took my kids out to lunch. It was a beautiful day. We sat outside. There was nobody around us. You know, but we did have on our mask, our PPE, personal protective equipment, honey. And then I took them to see a light show at the beach. And it was very lovely. It wasn't too crowded. Everybody was respectful about distancing and everything. So we didn't have on masks when we were taking our pictures, but we had them with us. No matter. Some of you gave me such a hard time. I was a little bit emotional. I was kind of hurt. I was like, oh, they really think that less of me, to think that I ain't have what I needed for my kids. You know, we always have masks, you guys, always. I wear like a little backpack, y'all, and I got like 20 of them, plus hand sanitizer, hand wipes, aerosol to go. So yeah, I was a little hurt about it. And I was just like, you know, this would be the perfect time for me to show you guys how I roll out when I go to the store, when I go to the grocery store, or when I'm in a large crowd at the club, aka Sam's Club. This is the mask that I have on. It's called the Refresh Mask by Photofast, a personal air purification system with a built-in air circulation system that brings in fresh air while removing carbon dioxide, heat, and moisture to keep you cool and refreshed. The mask is effective against particles like dust, pollen, bacteria, pollution, and most importantly, viruses. The built-in fan has 3 different speeds to suit your comfort level and breathing style, and a vented space for the disposable N95 filter. The mask is also rechargeable, so it comes with a micro USB so that you can charge it up for 8 hours of runtime. It also comes with a cover mask that's machine washable and a 30-day supply of N95 grade filters that are replaceable and disposable, allowing for safe reuse of the mask, and it's easy to clean with alcohol. What I really like about it is that each filter is individually packaged so that you can throw it in your purse or your wallet, store it in your car, and not have to worry about the filters picking up excessive germs or debris before use. It's user-friendly, All you do is place an N95 filter in the slot, choose a circulation speed that's comfortable for you, secure it with the cover mask, and go. Not only is the refresh mask super easy to use and extremely lightweight, surprisingly lightweight, you guys, what I like about it is it does not mess up my makeup. I know, the vanity of it all. Who's gonna see your face underneath the mask? Nobody. It's just, it makes me feel good to still be able to wear makeup and not have it smeared all over the inside of the mask, especially when you're wearing a red lip, honey. And it's also helping with my mask acne. My face was breaking out from wearing the disposable ones, and it was really hard to keep track of the cloth mask and keeping them clean and keeping them handy in my car. So this is so easy just to have, and it's super easy to clean, and you can use it with any type of mask that you have. I like to use it with my cloth mask because my face likes the cloth mask. Again, my face was breaking out because of the disposable ones. So I would suggest you using it with a cloth mask and not the disposable ones that you find in the convenience store. You can also secure it with a bandana as well. So if you're someone who is taking this pandemic extremely serious and you want to get it for yourself, I think it's a great idea. Or maybe for a relative who is in the age range that's more susceptible to getting the virus, or you're planning on doing some travel and you're going to be in close quarters with people and crowds, this mask will be a great fit for you. Now, one of my favorite things about the refresh mask is that it has 3 different levels of speed on the intake fan. It goes from low, medium, to high, so that you can always reach whatever level of comfort you need while breathing in the mask. And another thing is it comes with the disposable and replaceable N95 filters, and it keeps out pollen, debris, dust, bacteria, viruses, all of the things that we are concerned about right now. So again, I will leave the links in the description box along with a $30 promo code on the mask. I don't never want you guys to say that Valencia is not using her proper protective equipment. Okay? Just saying. Or that I wasn't looking out for you, friend. Looking out for you. Seriously, honestly, and truly. Y'all know I don't ever tell y'all about nothing. This thing right here, you better get you one. I got my mama one. Okay, so now, you know what? I'm in the mood for tacos. I'm supposed to be making spaghetti tonight because that's what I went to the store to get, is stuff to make spaghetti. I'm going to make the kids spaghetti, but I'm going to make myself some shrimp tacos. So we had shrimp tacos about 2 days ago. Okay, so these are my tacos, fully loaded. My shrimp mango tacos with some pico de gallo, very spicy pico de gallo, little bit of like cantina style salsa and black beans, you guys. We still have some of the stuff left over so that I can make myself some tacos, but I'm going to make the kids some spaghetti. You know, I'm trying to be a little bit more health conscious because I'm thinking spaghetti equals carbs. Although I've heard that people eat their spaghetti with like the veggie noodle, spaghetti squash or whatever. Have you ever tried that? I've never tried before. I don't know if it's any good. If, you know, the texture, it's the mindset for me. It's why I can't eat gluten-free noodles. It literally like disintegrates in your mouth. It's just not, it's not the same. I'm too old. I can't be turned. You know what I mean? I cannot be changed when I think of a noodle. It's made of carbs. But anyway, that's why I'm going to be eating my taco tonight. Although I am eating it with a flour tortilla. So, girl, anyway, let's go make these tacos and spaghetti. Making tacos and spaghetti, child. Come on. Oh, you know what? I got to start showing y'all my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day is from my favorite store, Target. Oh, wait, we should start from the top. Okay, so I am wearing this Louis Vuitton scarf that I have fashioned on the top of my head, giving you a very much headband wig. My hoops are from Target. They are turning, so I need to buy another pair. Lashes are by Kiss. Girl, when I say outfit today, I'm doing the whole outfit, okay? All the accessories that are removable. And I got this really cute set from Target. It's giving me very much tie-dye, very much ombre, very much she's ready, girl, okay? To go to the grocery store. It's so cute. And I wore it with, let me go get my slides. I wore them with my slides that I got myself for Mother's Day, you guys. And I know what you're saying, girl, ain't it cold outside? It's Florida. The weather is cold and hot all at the same time. So yeah, I had that on today. I need a whole full moment, you guys. Hold on, wait, I'm not ready. Okay, let me. So I'm feeling real millennial mom cute, girl.
Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down.
I've got my spaghetti sauce complete. It's a meat sauce. The noodles are boiling. I like to use these ravioli stuffed with sausage. And just some super basic vegetables in the background. Oh wait, I asked them to help me. They have not helped me. However, they are fighting. You know what?
You've got so many plans. I need something from you. Tell me, what can I do? Oh, he says my name and I know I can't fight the sound. I hit solid ground. He says I'm wasting time. I know he's right somehow. So what do I do now?